Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change lock screen clock style in your Samsung Galaxy A06 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is touch and hold on the lock screen. Then type your current PIN or password to unlock your phone. Then you can see this interface, and from here you can customize your lock screen. If you want to change your clock style, just tap here and that's it. From here you can customize your lock screen clock style. At first change your clock style color and you can choose any color as you like. Now here you can see so many clock style and you can choose any clock style as you like. You can set digital clock style or analog clock style as you like. If you want to set this clock style, just tap here and then choose any color, then tap on done. You can also change your clock style font from here and you can choose any font style as you like, and that's it. You can also change your clock style position. Just tap here and then you can set any position as you want, then tap on done and it's done. You can see in my phone lock screen clock style has been changed successfully. And that is how you can change lock screen clock style in your Samsung Galaxy A06 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.